ka school ba North Eastern Hill University niu kalapan tip bakan penya sakhaman hakaba pintrai kam ya National Education Policy arjar arpau haki college ba pair ki penya so ilini bat kani ka university nadu ka tayo baning kong banai nailar arjar arpulai haba pentip ya kani hakilat thai ku bor hasalong press club hakano phai si ka khandai trik naitung arjar arpulai u vice chancellor ka university u professor Prabhashan Karshukla loong ba ya kani kara la sim hadin bon tili ki jelang ba ki principal jingki college ba pair bat kemilinti baka polisi kanlong ka jiman toy ki khna pulia lengba ka polisi loong ba kandan ka jite lang jingki college bat ki skill development center ha ka jala ban sainduri ki samla ki don jing tibet ha ki sab pair.
My objective is to implement National Education Policy 2020 for the benefit of the Meghalaya young generation and for the benefit of the youth of the country. And after my joining, I am already doing the rigorous effort for implementation of new education policy in the university. We already had implemented new education policy for the PG student and the academic session of 2022-23. For UG student, we had already circulated letter to all the affiliated colleges of the NEHU to implement new education policy from coming academic session, which is going to start from the 1st August 2023. Soft skills or hard, both the type of skills. But it's depends the choice of the student. But I like to develop myself as a good writer. One another is good speaker. One another is good singer. So any different choice of the student.
So the option is there.
Option is there. But I am trying after the discussion how to make a relation between the state government skill development center and colleges. After the discussion and deliberations, then I will be in position to write the government of Meghalaya. Without the discussion and deliberation, I am central government, state government have their own. I cannot direct the state government. I can only request them. You have this skill development center, and near colleges have this skill development center, either Sinat College or any other college. So this college can take the benefit of the skill development center of the Meghalaya. Not only the skill development center, also the ITI colleges are there. Colleges even can disappear, sign a MOU between the ITI and the college. They can take the benefit. Another thing, some small thing, just like on nursing courses. We already have the even medical colleges, private and government medical colleges in the Meghalaya. So colleges can also take the benefit with signing an MOU.